Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on replacing the screen, flex cable, and antennas on the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3. Before we begin, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and an anti-static wrist strap. Keeping your workspace clean is crucial, so clear off any unnecessary items from your work area. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible to avoid any accidental power-ups during the repair. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. You'll find several screws holding the panel in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, use your plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips. If you encounter resistance, check for any remaining screws you might have missed. With the back panel off, you'll see the internal components of your laptop, including the battery, RAM, and, most importantly, the screen connections. Now, locate the screen cable that connects to the motherboard. This may require you to remove some additional screws or components. If you're unsure or uncomfortable doing this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with the repair if needed. After accessing the screen cable, gently disconnect it by pulling it out of its socket. Be careful not to pull on the wires directly. Next, you'll need to remove the screen itself. This is typically held in place by a few screws on the hinges. Remove these screws, and then gently lift the screen away from the laptop. Now it's time to install the new screen. Align it carefully with the hinges and secure it with the screws you just removed. Reconnect the screen cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's snugly fitted. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also provide pickup and delivery at your home for convenient service. Next, let's address the flex cable and antennas. The flex cable is usually situated near the screen connection. Disconnect it using the same method as before. If you notice any dust or debris, take this opportunity to clean the area with a soft brush or compressed air. Proper cleaning helps maintain your device's performance. With the old flex cable removed, install the new one by connecting it to the same socket. Ensure all connections are secure. For the antennas, locate them at the top corners of the laptop chassis. Disconnect them carefully and replace them with the new antennas if necessary. Once everything is connected, double-check all connections and screws to ensure nothing is loose. Finally, reassemble the back panel by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you set aside earlier. Remember, if you don't have the tools to complete this repair, we offer a quote before repair, so you know what to expect. Our service eliminates the need for calls or travel. Once the back panel is secured, reconnect the battery and power on your laptop. Check to see if the new screen is functioning correctly. Congratulations on completing the repair. This process not only saves you money but also gives you a sense of accomplishment. If you have any questions or prefer to have a professional handle the need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.